Hey guys, let me give you an example of leverage in real estate. So I'll compare that with medicine. In the emergency room, when I'm seeing patients, I'm not seeing everybody myself, right? I'm not doing everything myself. I have nurses, technicians, respiratory therapists, medical students, and residents helping me out. So basically, I'm putting X time and getting 10X return on my time because of all these people who's helping me out. Same things happen in real estate. So in real estate, you're putting X amount of dollars to get a 10X property. I'll give you a quick example based on that. So I have a resident right now who I was talking to. He bought a property in New Orleans for $215,000 3 years ago. Now he's graduating and he's trying to sell it for $315,000. He put in $8,000 to it, and now he's overall going to come out around $80,000 profit out of it. So basically, he got into an asset that was worth over $200,000 for just $8,000 down. He didn't have to put $200,000 on an investment. And the best part about it is, if you buy something in an appreciating market, you leverage $8,000 to buy $215,000, but by the time you're exiting it, it might be worth $300,000 that is worth for him. So that is basically what leverage in real estate means. You can 8x, 10x your return within 3 years, like this guy's doing. So leverage is a big part in real estate that we all should be using, and one of the big reasons why I love investing in real estate.